Adafo me mamu nyina akwa abado eba Nkwa Hia dwumade so wa Adom TV ene ye dwoada na nenso ene da ewiase nyina ye bodawro e de afa autism eho wote ye no wo busa wo ho fi se mpempi no yetete ye fie no mu a yese bia akwada oye autism no oye nsuo ba oye baifo ense bebre no ye ka de fa wo mo ho nenso ene ya boawram ewo autism training center ye no ewo Nkran ha wo mo kirade pa wo ba no hu nkra na wo hu se enye sade yesusu no ana ye dwene e wa abonten no nti na ye da no ye ba besua de afrimu ye ne awofo bekasa ye ne akyerkyerefo no bekasa na afa ye hunu center na no mo abai ene wo mo ye de aboa wo mo ha so ene se ni nyina ye beje wa ha na mo mfa seda no emma you darling mojadro thanks to Jehovah Clinic nano fix it bobo seasoning powder ene afa heal international homeopathy clinic won de adwumayeku a won boy ye chidom na bribia no ye tumi de Nkwa Hia bro joda 9:30 dikosi 10:30 pm nti anwumre de ai ye pia bontene ene ye ba bedi sankomo midi afia ama nkwa atamaklo tweme na ye ba mpanimfo awofo ye ne wo nyina ebekasa Adafo ye mo akwa babiem Nkwa Hia dwumade ena wo hye no wa Adom TV so enne de ye pie abonten efise bosumi wei no ya bosumi aye bodawro de afa autism ho ntina abeto dwase omamu nyina no autism training center ba ko pe ne ye wo he na wo se ye baha na ye ne mpanifo ebedi enkomo educational director ya wo autism training center wo Nkran ye Mrs. Adom dia yene no eba bedi enkomo na fe wa kire yen adwuma center na no wono eye mame ye mo akwa abado ba Adom TV yadase nyame hya mo ne adwumaden so amoye wa ha ye pese ye tiefuo hu ena Ghana fo dodo no a ye kase oba ye autism a ye adwene bebre yeni nkomo nhwe center yankasa autism training center ye dia
center hano ejina homa biaye bia enkola wo mo autism no ye tete wo na wo mutumi ekofra nipem ye pese wo musoso no ahoden anase de wo mutumi ye bia no edadi na wo mutumi edebua man no timi ye tete wo mo adesuamu ene efie nyama e wo mutumi ayama wo hu nyina
ene mo ya de ene ne yemra ene wiase nyina ye bodawro e de afa autism eho obi bebusa me hya dan hu ni twi de ba ye kasa autism na ene o ye de
autism na nkasa no enhye da ni asemfo abaako a ye de kasa autism ye sei na mom no autism no ye tibia bia hu wonkola no ho ebia edadi be say omudi mfie mienu ekomiesam no na wo mehu say ebia akola no ni ni ye no enhye da ni enti say de kola nyina de ni etie ebia na on show anim ebia na on pese odidi ne sabeka no ebia na on pese ono nkwa ehye kona ni ade nti ne sa nyama bebebi wo no ma edadi a ma wo hu say akola no owo autism bia na on kasa o frɛ na onya ne ho te sɛ dia wote dia wo ka no o ma ne aduane a o mpɛsɛ obeyi ne ho obedi ye aduane bi ne mo ho ne ma o bia na opani nsuonsuo o mpa aduane a ye solid ne wo mu ahoro bebre
nti sɛ oni abofra wo ho na wo hu between the ages of 2 to 3 na o ye no ho sa bia yen suspect say bia
ɛsɛ wo hwehwem na wo hwɛ sɛ anye bia obewo autism.
Oh, okay. Then when I busua yare autism?
Yen to me nka ne pote say busua yare ye wo ya ka say bofo mu no ye see likely say genes no mu interaction say the genes no di nkita ho no na bia to me de but adekode pote ya di autism e ba no obi to me fan nsa nsi so
ka se bia uti pai u bebra ne de ba na se bibia etesesa
e bia se wafa hydrobi na nsi so eye
etesa wa wo de wo ha che nti no wunnim se the situation no etie adwen ben na mofra bi etesa no wona e wa kire ye won che no ya ye hu fa wo mo ya ye dwen se wo mo ye enipa ben a
ni ya na ombe yi a kire wo eno na ebe ma we hu se ebia o be wo sa ebia na o ta 1990 ne the toes ebia na or repeat behaviors bi on say ni ebia o ta ye say bia obon nsem bia obenya kwan kakra bia no obebon nsem ana say obeye sound bi na say obeye sound bi woni minimu ana bibi ana say obewusu ni ti onya kwan bia obi wo ho no mukra na wo ho ano abetinetine watare na okọ wo ho ano asan betinetine obetumi akọ say hu ne sabe say de wo ho obetumi bi wo ho no ma just behaviors bia anya normal bisa okay but misconception bay and o man for wo autism misconception there Ghana for ya na ya feel say so wa kolasa na che say wa ko bosumbu so na so wa ko nsuo bi na wa ko sra kolala entina e de adom ya some American me say ya wo autism for Canada and ya wo bi wo Norway and ya wo bi wo Denmark Israel infa ba bia entina nsuo ben so na o mo ko ya so omukonya asa na autism asema yeke enye Ghana for asem nkwa America eni ne keka hu na ebi wo ho no but just so mutumi hu ntina so ye de hye ebusia eni mamefo to de bia obi tumi jai ne yere because o see we na ebi ni mebusia na so na enye oba no default enye ne ono no waye okay ntina sa cultural beliefs aye niama ya giatum say nunti oba no wa ye say na wa ye enye no kre mfa ho kra say ye wo autism baby a obetimi abeye nipa daache ai a kire say omu nyina omu wa ahodin ahodo omu bia ahodin different nti no wo hya ase na otete akola no ntema na say o ahodin a obetimi dia kona anima now means obedru ho obeye niama ebia na say doctor na opese oye na opese of course university ebia no antumi anye doctor but ono ankasa na ho odin bebia na ho odin gina no obetumi akọ nanim edi akodru ho aye ne kama ama omutumi ya ade kra sen yen de wo ne so oye normal no mpo yen no eto de bia na ya de agro ne enkomobo ne ade aka ho but omu de omu ye adwuma omu hweso eye ne kama ma te say autism training center the whole Ghana e ba akope oh sesi ano enkrofo obiebie centers nti no ebiebie wo baby no me to me ka say matise ba ko hope setters wo tema okay but nya kan no mean to me chere say nti enfie bay na yetime di wo mo ba sa training school si aha no ya ji omo from di enfie miensa okay omo metumi aba nti ne ya wo classes to say from preschool class and a primary class and a upper class okay nti no upper class ni ebre aye pese omunya ensanwe adwuma bi no mutumi ye bibi te say de egu mensa so enkola ne na ye omo na ye I say de ya hye maso so enkola na ye den we ye paper beads the beads paper ye de aye o say de ai nti no chiro made a omutumi ye nti empese ombet na fia omunya hwe na chese omaye hey ya be said na teacher for no bi so edi enkomo but center ha no asa ha soma me ni hu mo you okay center no you okay for yeah okay sa aha ni so amaye as I say you said ya church o ma dia esi etumi biebie mu na chese baby wo hono ma second weaving kra na omo betumi aye say bead ya making na ye nya workshop omo so mi eye na ebinim ho ya kira omo gardening because obia wo na ho odin so wo na so no aha koye baby kitu ya bia ye nya ye ntumi enye niema bebre ebi wo ha wo pese o kira omo se de omo anka se omo betumi aye aduane ama omo e fa ni independent living skills niema omo betumi aye ama omo obi ni ho at least eso tumi eso ki garibi etumi di so nti no sani amani nyina aha na ayeketwa ne nti no esi enkwan wo ne ama bebre ma mu ntimi de anka mpase nkura ne ye no mu ntimi enye ya sire ni se ebetumi aye nya ba bi kese ebetumi ebiebie ne ma ba on se we no meka se bi medical na se health concern
bibi wo ho no ma health ministry anasa aban no mo hia anasa o mo boa mo enema bi mo dada
Debbie aban say ni
ya mo mo hwe Mwana mo hwe mo ho so
ani yesre amanfo say omoboy obi wo ho no mo kra odi ni birthday na say e kana kuma who I decide say e den na mo hia e bia detol
okay
bia parazone because say nsuo aye be no de bia ampo bia be che e ba ne sa na che say aboan nti ye be sra amanfo say omususu no hwe
na ya say mo educational materials ene mo de che o ma de ni nyina mo nhye Ministry of Education ana bibia te sa bia say
ya show masi say o show masi I wa register o munim so wo ho but say o mo be mayen bibi na ye de be ye adwuma ne de
eno de bi masa say de aban schools no mo de munya bibi sa ene a challenge Mrs. Bia mo bra wa ha
ya me na kan
na enkura no mo de omukọ excursion mo de omukọ mo ye omu bibi sa
ai eza si e ma omo ani bie obi a wo tefa akode wo ani bie wo chin a na wo kọ baabi a na wo hu niama eno so na ekeka adwen no e ma adwen no etumi eye nam so ti ase ani ye pese omo nyi nti no omo nyi wa adwen no mu nti o china say ye be kọ baabi ye kọ pet farm because ye pese omo hu muano na omuhu plants ya churches and ya may was school as I saw muhu in reality say na tie and no na be boa mu no ma ya adjusted to anyaman because e bi no ho almost rosro muano bi so
na month we as in April month World Autism Awareness Month. Plans on it to say near my bay now a drew day now ya moye.
Yeah, 2nd April World Autism Day. Into no akoto
holiday.
Into the 17th April. You bet tears esikro.
Okay.
Na you bet cry black cards na ya church amount for say autism no say na tie. Into no mo nyanti ase na mo fa omunti ngola na se no mo bia enye Ebola nti mo dwane njankola enye infectious nti ye be
mo ye no abodawro no because ebi mo kra for you know ebi mo parents ni bi kipi omo ma hihye baabi o
na ebi nso wo hono mu a omo ni sika bia baabi omo na ewe chire nti omo tumi emma
na ne boade ana
sheda enye din bebre na
no 12 fees term say dem ana mo de na ye
okay because ye fa nipa na omo behwe nkola no nti no nipa ba ko bia ehwe akola
teacher ba ko bia hwe akora ba ko me ne teacher no beto so ho na ya kire
nti ne sa teacher ni hwe akola ne sana say si etu
no kre
nti no busumi ni wu a say dia mam ni papa ni mama bi aba no ni ati ama no akakra na aka no ni dia ati water bill ni light bill
ya da say Mrs. Dia emre ne ba mu na ya say hia ye beba won nti adofo Nkwa Hia adwumadie na wo hwe no Adom TV so say de wonim no 2nd April World Autism Awareness Month. Nti na wose ewura ha so hu say de okeka nsam na nya better sa. Nti wo do birthday na ment na wo ni di no ma keke mo bia na ija won so de aba ewa ha. Say de odi kan ye no school. Ya kire wo ma de say de ye ma no wo ada year school ni mu no. Nti ye ko inside na ya share say de nkra no so ye si kire wo ma de fa dache omo so ebeye bibie na enye se bi obeye ohaw. Ye monwuram na ye nhwe say de ete. And of course, Sabre yaba Autism Training Center. Na bia ye kire enkura na de no yaba ha. Ochechire ni ba ko ha. Ye no FM na abeku grants. What kire ye said ye no no echo. Teacher be ye kire wono pay. Na ye nhwe ahaye class ben ya.
Preschool class. The over Autism Center have 3 classes. Okay. There were preschool class. I think along with the 5 years up to 8. And I have primary class. I moved to 8 years. I do not 14. I have your upper class. Okay. Na preschool na started training in Nefi.
Okay.
If it is no the akwala no ba ye session the training standard of intelligence. We are who level I then a before the obey. Yeah, you are Hannah say toilet because basically allow more to they don't among them said they're because oh me goose you I was say and I said Nkwa Hia to obey no money answer na ye train them say see how the omo art omo cyan colors so they omo different colors at the same time no o sha omo hihye ni ama na because the free be sensory motor nkwa no bi wo omo ntumi fa ade ansi ade so inte no eba na sa e chrom se de be omo betumi de ade so no mo arrange na se meka for teachers ne ho a asema meka ne say teachers omo kire nkwala omo autism ade omo
brampa because the me hunu say as a teacher ba ku bia to akwa ba ko sa na omo ye no sa na ye no ana mo ye say wo classroom bia mu
class ye 5 5 no ye wo teachers 5
I was classes in separate
in nice no do wo class
and do no so bia ye teacher ba ko
bia ye teacher ba ko the bia ye ne sa ne say bia apala no be ka say de o ye no onye inte say uma na ade fofo inte teacher no challenge ne say every time we was second option akola ne si onye we a edin na ode ne be wo be hye ne so akola ba ko tie hye ade o no wa sorry na second option is on na akonya ho no start to say o hye inte u teacher ni a wo kire autism akola de say every time bia why dream ye sharp different say onya ade a BBC they obey second option all the time.
Oh, chira ma dia wo brepa on.
Ayeduma we I to say asofo eduma. Say who need money or doma nkwala untumi. The teachers omo wa nyina ye nkrofo omo wotema ni odo edema nkwala. Nkrofo bebre aba say omo be ye eduma but omo ntumi anye. Because toda akwala ba ko obisu aha ofita no pasa tama obifia no su a ebedie wa tete de toto no so say obetumi a kira akwala ba kwa de bia o kira ne say de obeturo ne din akwala bi wo obetumi take in 1 month and so wetumi asia ne din obi wo okra obetumi take in 6 months and so wetumi a kiro ne din nti say bia wa akwala no obi de etumi asia de 1 month na wo akwala no
6 months
nyina no hu ya how feel say wa bem to me
no correct
nti how say one person to me encouraging na
ode chire no ba me ba ha no me hu colors no me ade sa
pictures yes because in Kwalano bebre na into me kasa the say me no kasa into your pictures I dey show me say dey kasa and say ocean Kwalano na omo communication board I wo mo fa mo dey kasa into ocean ha go say your usio picture we share your goodbye picture we share your we share your exercise your art your snack your lunch into now here the chrom said the bear on many hu a obehun say and oye because almost ya there wo niama
okay na ye wo hai empanifo no bi so wo abonten omo mo ye there
empanifo no bi wo abonten omo so wo art so mo there ne so mo ye painting wow
Yabeko hona fasida na Healing International Homeopathy Clinic Mr. say hepatitis prostate disorders Nkwa Hia International na ene wo mo enkodi nkomo wa pomden ho nsam nyina fra 0245 050828 you darling mojadru abusua bi ahia efie bi amu hia bi mojadru a wono meboa wo pa fra 0553632416 nano fix it ofono wonya nano fix it eguso pepe ni kama enya de se ubenya hawo nti wo camera ene wo smart phones no wo laptops ni nyina no nano fix it ena wo hia eye screen protector wonya bi ebe boa wo pa Thanks to you computer clinic and so nyarwa hodo nyina no wo mo eboa etu ase frɛ thanks to you computer clinic was 0205961109 sanso and a bobol seasoning powder and no and efie bia ye hia restaurant and ase bar wonya bi gu waduane mu a de pa 0550932111 na wone wono mo akasa nyuma ko na boye chidom yankɔhwɛ emra fi sɛ ye babie mu nso a ye bɛkɔ na ye ne ɔbaatan so edi enkomo afa This is a no more.
So she has Colano more at Stadium Mikaya.
Okay.
And then Omoya Page. Omo Quaco artwork ever worn. Okay. At the Amaya 20th anniversary. And 20 no more Babonti. And the first of all, no more apply filler. Okay. It's Omoya smoothing the surface as at now. And now Omoba in budget. Okay. Because they are 12. And there is Omaba 4 about. Okay. Oh. And another batch and also Abba. And now Omoa started some more. So the other thing is they are going to paint the wall. Okay. Omo they paint the wall. Muya now Omo draw puzzle. Okay. Your 20th anniversary need them. January no Omo ye ejuma we. So when na ye form of training na mo de mo mo bia. The mom. Udu upper class I try say be ma on sanu ejuma. Nti ye try bibia de be ye ye be unsa akola ne tumi ye pa no. Na ya boa no na oye. Ye wo akola bi wa ono ne de no so be bo pia organ nom ne ade. Be out before sound be out before and I say, and you be out before bia or turn or dinner soup so bet me out burning in armor. Ye were Ubinswa or Ye Juma, ya chance said they type it. Oh, ye data entry assistant, ma inclusion Ghana. Ubinswa no so ye book binding. Okay. You know, Unkalani, extra money ama be but because ye nim at the airport and young coupon their mom, you try near different. And who say, we now we need you out to me, yeah. They are developing, okay. Autism Awareness Training Center and Yaba, yeah, you do cover. Don't you say, well, who say, and yes, beer. Mobile bed, no mobile no munya santity, yeah. A bit me so abwa, no motion so. Sir Autism Training Center na 20 years. And no mobile bed, and na de no a year Jordan, na holiday into no 17th, and on bedi a dano, as from continue penny say, a dear pay here one more, and in suo, and see, one ye suo no. Mumma more, near Fenny Dano, and what be ya, what would do bed there? Now no one my share, no more swing any dear, and Nkwa Hia dear, you so ya caught na yakore, or my dear, dear, many be and also the more sugar no near dear, one more or moon here. And to women now, and nay yet church, sabe ya, one ya crabby walk, no one says sooner, who crying out with me no, at Snayani or Batain so, a bed dear, and come on, Nkwa Hia dear, and I was Adom TV, so. For Nkwa Hia Jumedie, now we saw Adom TV. So said you wouldn't know Bosumi way and net day to a World Autism Awareness Month. Into your Bo Era Autism Training Center, no one crying. You're doing come over brave. One who the educational director, no one the unfair move. Your co teacher in Horn, so the unfair move trainings. I would do a 1 month Koran to tear. I would do a day and mark one more. Sabri, you do about time or bad time. War now war, yeah. Nkwa Hia ya so ba no ewo autism say na sitie nti enya ya maame nana jona wayi ne ho asi wo so obebo ho dawro na wo so a wo hweye no wo so wahunu sese wo akoda bi etesa mento no ntwene fa na brand tie na ubenya mfaso e de afri ne so nana nwure mechia wo you should na apomu ye de ye de nyame ase mame fa won starting free ha say wo family na family no ehu se ebia osumesi ba no oye autism na wo autism ya na etesai enye is because Nkwa Hia nti ase me for instance na me nti ase because I didn't know anything about autism when they said my son has autism nti
doctor need show and I make call internet so and I make go here. And I make sure my mama say, oh, say, and I make her share me call and say, my brother know what this is how and what we are going to take care of, how we are going to take care of him. So almost a check account so mutias here. It was there was an instant say make us in ma omudi agwen na me ba ni car e be mi to obu ba ko na o ka share ni mani say me ba no wa bodam e shi mi yen so ube e dey but later omutias here so they all understand we all stay together as a family.
As a mother where the autism near first and I say second born. You know first oba na bema. Oba. And the second one when buy me sure so first time wa when age then call for second one a buy as a mother. Na it say.
Me pe boys fine. You catch him say my old boy na a year me de. But later me who say and I'm say why me? Why me? I'm saying Yakupon ma obi ya obefa ma obi so maybe there's a reason why God gave you that son. So I took it like that.
So how many years?
When you're 15.
When you're 15 years. Time bena yeah. And then the prompting you might be I'll call hospital. I'm a doctor who say abofrano or autism.
What started school no. Bibi I see omo yeah. But there was a time I think Shani Fem said there's something wrong with your sanity. Go and see a psychologist. And I'm saying, what is a psychologist? Yes, he's normal. When you see the face, I won't say there's nothing wrong with him. You see, initially, major because there's nothing good coming out of it. Because when you go, they always complain, say.
Say, no, what to say.
Because ABI or classroom okay. There was a track at the back of their school. Into the Bia no shana. Now I coach him. Into Omukasa. Initially we stopped going. And see we had a chance to travel outside. You call UK because I'm a sister. And I call home cheap. Or book appointment I call home cheap. And I give you now see your son has autism and I see what is autism not see. I have not heard anything about it. You want to see when yeah. I'll give you a website. Say, I was very sad.
It's not easy. It's not easy. And see, what's not for years, 15 years. A bread bay now who say okay, they say no. I'm say a bay normal. Mean to me, if I don't call baby, school I will be could be. Nti also mete no ho ebrebe na nya asa adwen na mo ba ha
free UK buy chibia na ebem say autism awareness month me hu and say wa wo service
okay
na me so enie ma membra nti me buy na mo see you your son has I'm say he has been diagnosed already. I know he has autism and I was yesterday to say yeah buy nti and so I see you when you are coming with your son you have to bring somebody to take care of your son for you. Let me see you. Then I'll do it because I think say Obi to me share my banning money say so I'll do it. That's how I got.
Okay. Now say you do it, you know, uja wajuma.
I was not doing anything
because of onuntina na ho.
So I started working here.
Okay. Inti you say from no second born. What was you? And I discourage you.
Third one.
What third one? Then no me and any I don't know. I dream
because on no crap was started school. Our fan was teacher and workers that your child began and say akola no kasapa or no no yeah papa
ono oba na bema
oba am see your castle see me do fear na ma adwem mu ye me say I then almost say so I got worried I my dream bad but later on Ankasa me buy and I make a chance to say this is what is going on and I'll see you and they come and see the education director no Mr. Mausi so we talked to him. We went through some things with her and she said,
said he's okay.
I'm saying I come my told you. On when you say
13 years.
13 years, and a boy no 15 years. 18. And he said no more copy of fear near the
first one. They are close. Because kita no say only behind on it will take a time by. Still, only fine. Once in a while, he beats the little one.
Aye, was I a boy? No cry there.
Once in a while,
Enye easy cry, enye easy. Adom Nkwa Hia Jumedie, and I was on Adom TV. So me first dana ma Healing International Homeopathic Clinic. Mr. Kohona Kosho Apomudin. And Simbia Opese. Winya, men's not to apum den ho asamase. For 0245050828. Nani Heal International Homeopathic for Nkasa. You darling Mojadro ya kutobuwa wa pharmacy shop na eben wo na na open do a for 0553632416. Bobo seasoning powder so aduane na wo ye ne afa bi som anu so be de Easter restaurant ne bar nom ne ade ne afa bi gum kama. Ana dodo no patwa for 0550932211 0550932111 na wone won so atimi edi enkomo na no fix it and one you protect your phones your camera your laptops and your smart watches no dey protect you know enti dodo no ope bi atua 0559582754 na no fix it and so I don't know. Thanks to you, Computer Clinic for so nyarwa hudu nyina no omo treat say hypertension, typhoid fever, and I say menstrual pains. Call thanks to you, Jehovah Clinic. And after omo 0205961109. One ni nyumakua eboy chidom. So nana yen twa yen common so 15 years now. I know what call sa or how ye emu yen hwe de ya success bi abamu. What in the bar, Hano? Difference about?
Yes, because eba no yet toiletry, diaper. That was my biggest challenge. I sat on the educational director. No, see, when you go home, you continue with what you are doing here. Or toilet more, I'll just pick a chair and sit by him. Sometimes I'll read for him. And then it's toy beer, open night, or yes, sir, you just praise him, say, oh, by you down well, clap for papa. Until next time, no. There was a time you were no Nkasa. No African, and I see, well done, you down well. I start say, or Nkasa, washroom, or you preparing huni bibia or to me say or to me jari. If you grandpa me see me near my bar. Obey ni na no no fold ni dia question in near me. Now I jam me there now. Oh, me ba means be for
nya wo dear.
Just leave. And you cry, because
o to me bibi. Unlike say bianca wo jana ka na be page. Oh yeah, o to me bi. Okay. Kakra na bema no at say beginning na bema dey at time omuni akoko duro sa
first time I can say but no words or no blame me say it was my fault because that time no ni ho
wan ye bibi ye oh but see ade everything is okay atiase kakra enti den na wo do be share and I say okay ni nua no aka no den na wo be ka kire omanfo se bia wo so wo nua bi na otesa other siblings na den na yo so mo so ye
akola ba ko what na we hu akola ba ko because they are not all the same until you can't compare one child with another child until unia be what just love the child they need love. Okay. And I accept them because they are all humans like us. Because we are all the same. When you train here, they can do better. Okay. You train your mom better.
Better. Until then, I'll be catch Obi. For you know, be crowd and the akusi baby cry.
Don't hide them. Take them out, bring them out. When you are going somewhere, who call baby? Any name call? Who call? Sorry, any name call? That one, you are creating awareness. You just told them my son has autism because everywhere I go, I mean, I'm catching autism. The first thing I do is, baby, I'm trying to say, this is the washroom. And see, when he's getting up, I mean, he said maybe he's going to wee or something. So you have to follow him. Don't hide your children. Bring them out. Whenever you are going out, take them out. It's creating awareness. You are creating awareness. Someone may not know that. This Nkwa Hia, they've never heard the word
autism. No.
And see, we should all embrace it and spread the news.
Okay. Nana Jonah, yeah, that's it. Say also a share experience. Into your bad time, no. Say the wouldn't more no autism, no. I was say your born the rule, no be at no be who no. Na say who be a man funny seeing Casoya bosom banner and so baby. Mr. Funny P. Abontain, Fano training centers or ya better to know some more new money be or honor. Also a bit to me, I hear them on the one here and I say 17th April now. Autism Training Center 20 years in it. One here new ma. Utie baby and common shas and ya better a shot. One here so more Sabaya day no ya de beko walk. And see one tone so I would draw with a move money into many. No with a move from running and from support or do birthday and your man what about me and from Raha near from a boa so yes Anna yes so yeah boy and then Nkwa Hia my dear no I had a brema pine near the Nina SCA Mamma fa asedano Emma my boy for if you said one more Nkwa Hia anka enye yada you darling mojadro as a papa thanks to Jehovah Clinic. Nano fix it. Yada almost bubble seasoning powder. Yada almost heal International Homeopathy Clinic for so. Yada one more asia. Na minti konswa. Yena Autism Training Center. Ya no one cry. Ha yenti na almost if it's one ma won ho kwan. Na yada one bedi enkomo. Enti yada Elom dia ase. Yada Abeku Grant ase. Nana Jonah yada na se na fe penny pa no so. Yada na se papa fi se ono na ne ba ewobi ena wamana nkan hye ena ode nam anu watie no tie da ono so ase nyame hira obi bia wo hye ye repeat no so ebeba medi afia mankwa atamaklo ye da Raymond Kumsin ase Eleanor Sebochi ye da na se ni kwe ye da wase papa Mr. Amo ye da se ena afia obi bia wo bo ayema production no so eye solid da munyina ase da sane nkwane ahoden wo ho afia mankwa atamaklo ye beto so na Nkwa Hia dwumadi no ye de aba.